Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share a job opening from Viprak Web Solutions. As you can see here, they are hiring for business development executive. So you must have 1 year of working experience and there would be a remote work. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact number. And for more detailed information, you please go through with the website link.